Go to the gas station for 5.
So you drunk right now?
Bro, I'm not drunk, son.
Every time I cough, is that I got a migraine. Right here. I have a migraine, bro. That's why
A real migraine?
Yeah.
You're a fucking animal. Cuz. You go hard. Burn out right here. Burn out. Show what you felt. Show what you felt. You ever seen them Arabs on YouTube who be going dumb, just dumping caters out the window?
That's your
burning
people.
out?
That's your people.
Look, burn out.
That's your people,
Shows up
Masood.
at 92,000 miles. Hit that corner, cuz.
Nigga going 5 miles.
That nigga E will slide on niggas, cuz. We out here, you know. DMV, nigga. You heard him?
So where we going now?
You heard me, the DMV. We headed to the
Y'all
DMV.
record me, nigga.
East side, go left, go left. East side. You from the east. East Oakland.
East Oakland? Where you from?
Hey, you can't get EBT gas?
Hell no, nigga.
Shit.
EBT gas. One nigga east said where the EBT gas
Hey,
at.
fuck that shit here.
We out here.
Son of
We out
go.
We
here.
gotta go here for it.
Show, we gonna shoot a video in there.
For the Duchess.
Do it.
Come on, let's shoot a video.